Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to try to make the Flite Test Logo fly. Basically, we're going to make a surfboard idea that we've got flying indoors. I enlarged it 140%, and let's see what happens. So I took the original plans and just scaled up everything 140%, which only took a few minutes, a lot faster than reprinting and taping all these sheets together. I scaled it 140 so that one sheet of foam would make the main board. The elevons would be cut out of the second sheet of foam. I then cut out one side, and I used that piece that I cut out as a pattern for the second side to get the exact same curve. I did the same thing with the elevons. Next, I beveled the elevons and applied them with shipping tape. For the gremlin, I made him about 14.5 inches tall. I just sketched out a rough shape and made two pieces. I then installed some flat carbon fiber and also one piece of 3mm carbon fiber down the main leg to go into the fuselage. I then glued the two halves together. For the arms, I just made one piece and put carbon fiber in the center. There's the finished gremlin, painted in black. Rough idea what it's going to look like when it's finished. Underneath, I just made a 1.5 inch by 30 inch rectangular pieces on both sides to fit the battery and all the electronics. Next, I glued the rudder in. This will have a top skin. Next, I took a piece of scrap foam, put a hole for a pivot point, and then just made marks for my circles and put a pen in the holes and drew the circles. Worked real nice. That's the finished look. Very simple, very fast. The board's about 36 inches long, 20 inches wide. I did have one problem with the Ready board. After painting it, it kind of warped and cupped the bottom of the board and the elevons, so keep that in mind when you're using Ready board. It's not water resistant. In this photo, you can see how curved the elevons are before we launched it, but we gave it a try anyways.
It's fine where you threw it, Paul.
Winds are about maybe 5 miles an hour. Really lucky to be able to fly in my backyard. I've got an acre flying field. My brother's got a farm behind me, so we have plenty of room. You can see it diving quite a bit. I used up all my up trim, but still needed more. I was constantly diving, but overall it was flying pretty good. I think once we get the CG figured out a little bit better and get the board straightened out, it'll fly better. But overall, it flew pretty well. You can hear the motor. It's an old motor, not the best motor, but it flew. So a couple more tweaks and I think we'll have it. So to wrap things up, I think I need to add a couple more vertical fins to protect the rudder because that broke on landing, and get the CG right, straighten the wing, and I think we've got a winner. This is a super easy build, so I hope you guys give it a try, and thanks for watching the video.